How to use Google Chats on mobile. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Google Chats on your mobile device. Now, the best way to use Google Chats on your mobile device is by installing the app on your phone. Now, how do you install this? You install the app by moving over to Play Store, Google Play Store, and then on Google Play Store in the search box, just go ahead and type out Google Chats or Good Chat application, whichever one of your choice. Then you search for it. When you search for it, the app would come up as you can see here. And then for me, I already have the app. That is why it's asking me to open. But for you, you'd have to download the app. So once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it. Once you open it, you'll be brought to the chat page. Now, I want you to note that you do not have to create an account on Google Chat. This is because your Google Chat is linked to your Google account. So your Google account, your profile, your name, and everything is the same thing that will be used on Google Chat because they are all Google applications. So once you're on this page, if you want to add a new chat, all you need to do is to click on new chat, which is located by the lower left right corner of the screen. Lower right corner of the screen. Just click on it, new chat. And once you click on it, here you will be asked to add people. Yes, you can add people here by typing out their email address. And then you can also decide to create a space. You can browse spaces. That is if you have spaces already on the app. Then you can use this app to find other Google applications, and then you can also check your message request. To add people, all you need to do is to type out their email address. As you can see, I typed letter A and I have received quite a number of email addresses already. Note that the email addresses that you can add are the email addresses that you have sent a message to before. Yes, maybe someone that has sent a message to you, or people that you have sent messages to, email messages and emails too. That's those are the people that you can add. So you can just go ahead and type out the person you want to add, then select it. Once you select it, the person will be added to your chat automatically. Again, you can go ahead and chat them up. Okay, so this is one way to use it on the app. Then once the person gets your message, the person will respond. Then to create a space, at the lower part of the screen, you would see spaces. Okay, you can just click on spaces. Once you click on spaces, you'll be taken to the spaces page. Currently, you do not have any space, so you can just create add new space, which is located by the lower right corner of the screen as well. Click on it, and then you can just decide to create a space. Then once you click on create a space, you'll be asked to enter in space name. Example, uh, mm, okay, just use this. Then you can describe if you want to. If you do not want to describe it, just click on next. Next is located by the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to search for people that you add to this space, or you can just decide to skip. Skip is located also by the top right corner of the screen. So once you skip it, that is all. The space will be created. But you have to go ahead and add people, share file or assign tasks. Then you can also click on the files to share files or tasks, whatever you want to do. So this is just a basic way of how you can use Google Chat or your mobile device. Thanks for watching.